Japan was a country I've never visited, and I heard a lot of good stuff about the people here. They're really nice, kind, humble, and friendly. And also, Japan is known for its technology and like how advanced it is. So I wanted to experience the working environment here and know the working culture.
I was working with a vast amount of data, and the fact that there were challenges along the way, in the sense that sometimes it was not very clear what I was dealing with and what the data is. I'd have to organize it and have to play around with some formulas. I'd say it was challenging initially. Well, honestly, when you see something that's really big and when you see a lot of numbers especially, you get a little scared at the beginning. But then over time you realize that you just gotta see the logic of it, you gotta go slow. And here in this company, there were times when I had to work a little faster, but they mostly let me work at my own pace. So I was able to deal with these complexities, and I really like that. Yeah.
In the future, I really want to pursue for a degree, an MBA, in one of the best universities in the world, such as Harvard, MIT. And one of the requirements is that I really need a good recommendation letter. So in my case, because I had actually talked to my company owner earlier, and she agreed to write a good recommendation letter for me, which I think is really a very huge help in order to help me accomplish my dream.
Personally, I did step out of boundaries, like my limit boundary for a lot of things. Like I enjoy my life here a lot. I learned a lot of lessons, like good lesson, not bad lesson. Yeah, I made so many great friends, and then professionally, I gained so much skill. Like the company helped me learn like language coding and blog editing, all like computer like technical stuff that I have not learned before. So I did learn everything in about 2 weeks.
I think ICC did a great job because I got exactly what I was looking for. I mean, when I first came, I told ICC that I wanted certain things, and I basically got an experience which was very much relevant to my degree and to my interests. And I got something which was more relevant to my degree than my previous summer, which was also good, but I'd say that this is more consistent with what I'm looking for, so I'm really happy with ICC. At least for some future interns, this internship, not just this company, but the city on the whole, maybe a different culture to them on the whole, so it may be initially, maybe a little challenging, a little demanding, but I just tell them not to get scared or to feel confused or bewildered, because they will be able to adapt to it, because the people are just so friendly here that you'll love it.